Welcome back, house hunters. Today we're exploring 10 incredible properties across Tuscany, ranging from small village homes tucked into medieval borghi to spacious mountain houses surrounded by forests and panoramic views. What makes this selection so special is the variety and value on offer. We'll see stone-built homes in places like Lunigiana, Garfagnana, and Apennine Mountains, with prices starting from around 50,000 euros and going up to larger family homes with over 300 meters squared of space. Many of these properties are already habitable or partially restored, while others offer exciting renovation potential for anyone dreaming of creating their own Tuscan escape. You'll notice a common theme throughout: authentic Italian character, quiet village life, and breathtaking natural surroundings, often just a short drive from towns, coastlines, or ski areas. From cozy two-bedroom stone houses to expansive countryside buildings with multiple rooms and investment potential, there's something here for different budgets and lifestyles that will suit anyone. First up, we're heading to Fosdinovo, a beautiful hilltop village in Tuscany known for its medieval charm and sweeping countryside views. This traditional village house is listed at just 50,000 euros, offering around 60 meters squared of living space, making it an incredibly affordable entry into the Tuscan property market. This home is set within a historic borgo dating back centuries, giving it an authentic and timeless atmosphere. Inside, the layout is spread across multiple levels, beginning with a kitchen on the lower ground floor. On the main level, you'll find a welcoming entrance hall that leads into a cozy living room centered around a fireplace, perfect for creating that classic Tuscan feel, along with a bathroom. Upstairs, the property features two bedrooms, each offering a peaceful retreat with natural light and charming views over the surrounding hills. One of the standout features is the panoramic terrace, where you can take in the stunning countryside scenery and enjoy outdoor living in a truly picturesque setting. Adding even more value, the property includes access to a shared courtyard and comes with a nearby 800 meters squared woodland plot, offering connection to nature that's hard to find at this price point. Located just a short drive from larger towns and less than 10 kilometers from the coast, this home combines tranquility with convenience. Next, we arrive in Casola in Lunigiana, Tuscany, where this beautifully restored stone home is set within an ancient and atmospheric village just 5 kilometers from everyday amenities such as shops, banks, and the post office. This semi-detached property is listed at 59,000 euros and offers around 70 meters squared of living space, making it an affordable and fully furnished retreat in the Tuscan countryside. Carefully renovated while preserving its traditional charm, the home blends rustic character with practical comfort. The layout is spread across multiple levels, beginning with a welcoming entrance hall on the ground floor, along with a kitchen featuring a pellet stove, a storage room, and a bathroom. On the first floor, you'll find a cozy living room with a fireplace that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The upper level includes a hallway with another pellet stove, a double bedroom with access to a terrace, and a single bedroom, offering flexible space for guests or family. With internet connectivity and a GSM repeater already installed, the property is well suited for comfortable living even in this peaceful rural setting. Surrounded by history and quiet village life, it offers an ideal balance of seclusion and convenience. Perfect for quiet holidays or longer stays, this home delivers authentic Tuscan character, modern usability, and excellent value in one of Italy's timeless hilltop villages. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to subscribe and like. The best properties are yet to come, so stick around. Next, we arrive in Monti Castelli, Pisano, a charming medieval village in the heart of Tuscany's Colline Metallifiere, where this ground floor apartment is listed at 60,000 euros and offers around 75 meters squared of living space right in the historic center, in an exclusive yet easily accessible position. Set within thick stone-built village walls and surrounded by sweeping views of forest, valleys, and rolling Tuscan hills, this property immediately reflects the authentic character of its medieval surroundings. The apartment sits in a quiet corner of the old Borgo, offering a rare sense of privacy while still being part of a living historic community. Inside, the home has a warm and traditional layout. You enter directly into a central living area that serves as the heart of the home, featuring a comfortable sitting space with rustic finishes and a natural flow into the adjoining rooms. The kitchen is separate and functional, designed for everyday living with space for dining and cooking in a simple traditional style. The sleeping area includes two double bedrooms, both well proportioned and filled with natural light from the village facing windows. The room retains a classic Tuscan feel with the thick walls that help maintain a cool interior in summer and warmth in winter. The bathroom is practical and fitted with a shower, completing the main living spaces. Above, a useful attic space adds extra storage or potential for additional use, depending on future needs. The layout is straightforward but comfortable, making the home easy to maintain while still offering flexibility for guests or longer stays. Next, we arrive in Piazza al Serchio, where this traditional stone village house is located in the nearby hamlet of Cogna, set in a peaceful mountain environment surrounded by the Apennines and Apuan Alps. The property is listed at €65,000 and offers around 95 meters squared of living space, along with a private garden, making it a charming and authentic retreat in a timeless rural setting. Built in classic Tuscan stone, the house retains its original character while offering a comfortable and practical layout across multiple levels. Entry is into a welcoming living room where a fireplace becomes the focal point of the space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere ideal for winter evenings in the mountains. From here, the home flows naturally into the other rooms, maintaining a traditional village house feel throughout. The kitchen is separate and functional, with direct access out towards the garden, making it especially practical for summer dining and outdoor living. The sleeping area includes three double bedrooms, each generously sized, filled with natural light, offering flexible space for family, guests, or home office use. A bathroom with shower completes the main living level, designed for everyday comfort. The lower level provides additional usable space, ideal for storage, workshop use, or potential conversion depending on future needs. Outside, the private garden of approximately 90 meters squared is a real highlight, offering a peaceful green space surrounded by nature. Now we are back in Casola in Lunigiana, where this traditional stone village home is tucked within this quiet historic hillside borgo surrounded by woodland and wide views of the Apennine landscape. The property is listed at €65,000 and offers around 60 meters squared of living space, making it a compact but full of character home in one of Tuscany's most authentic rural settings. Built entirely in local stone and set along a typical narrow village street, the house reflects the timeless architecture of Lunigiana, where homes were designed to blend into the hillside and withstand the mountain climate. The exterior retains its rustic charm, while the interior unfolds over multiple levels, creating a natural separation between living and sleeping areas. On the lower level, you typically find a welcoming entrance into the main living space, where the compact lounge forms the heart of the home. Thick stone walls and traditional proportions give the room a cozy, intimate feel, ideal for relaxing after a day exploring the surrounding countryside. The kitchen area is functional and integrated into the home's traditional layout, designed for simple everyday living with space for dining and preparation. Wooden beams and stone details reinforce the rustic atmosphere throughout, maintaining the authentic character of the property. The sleeping areas are arranged across the upper levels, with comfortable rooms that can accommodate guests or family. These spaces benefit from natural light and village-facing views, creating a peaceful and quiet atmosphere typical of historic Tuscan homes. A bathroom completes the layout, practical and compact within the property's footprint. And despite its modest size, the home makes efficient use of space, with every level serving a clear purpose. Its stone construction ensures durability and a natural regulation of temperature throughout the seasons, adding to its practicality as a year-round home or holiday rental. Now let's head to Abetone Cutigliano, where this spacious mountain property is set within a scenic alpine village surrounded by forests, rolling Apennine peaks, and fresh mountain air. The property is listed at €75,000 and offers an impressive 390 meters squared of living space, making it a rare opportunity for a large-scale home or renovation project in one of Tuscany's most sought-after mountain areas. Positioned within a peaceful village environment, the building enjoys both privacy and convenient access to local services, while also being close to ski slopes, hiking trails, and the natural beauty that defines this region year round. The setting is ideal for those seeking a retreat that combines nature, space, and potential. Inside, the property offers extensive accommodation spread across multiple levels with generous room sizes that reflect its original mountain architecture. Large living areas provide plenty of flexibility for redesign, while the structure itself offers strong potential for creating multiple apartments, a large family home, or even a hospitality project. The layout includes several rooms that can be adapted as bedrooms, lounges, or study spaces, all benefiting from natural light and the solid construction typical of traditional Tuscan mountain buildings. The interior requires renovation, but the scale of the property allows for a wide range of development possibilities. The structure's size and layout make it particularly suitable for investors or buyers looking for a restoration project with significant upside. Next, we arrive in Camporgiano in the heart of Garfagnana region of northern Tuscany, where the semi-detached stone house is set within a quiet and traditional village surrounded by mountains, forests, and wide natural landscapes. The property is listed at €86,000 and offers around 80 meters squared of living space, making it a charming and well-proportioned home in one of Tuscany's most authentic inland areas. The house reflects the timeless character of Garfagnana architecture, where solid construction and simple design were shaped by the mountain environment. The property is arranged over multiple levels and retains a warm rustic atmosphere, with traditional features that give it a strong sense of identity and place. Inside, the home offers a welcoming living area that acts as the heart of the house, featuring a fireplace that adds both warmth and atmosphere, especially during the cooler mountain seasons. The kitchen is practical and functional, designed for everyday living while maintaining a traditional layout that fits naturally within the home. The sleeping area includes two comfortable bedrooms, well suited for family use or visiting guests. A bathroom completes the main living spaces, with a layout designed to be simple, efficient, and easy to maintain. Additional rooms or storage areas, often found in properties of this type, add useful flexibility and reflect the practical nature of traditional villages in this region. Located in a peaceful setting close to local services in Camporgiano and surrounded by the natural beauty of Garfagnana, this property is ideal as a holiday retreat, a second home, or a charming base for exploring northern Tuscany. Next, we arrive in Aulla, where this semi-detached historic home is set within a quiet residential area surrounded by hills, greenery, and excellent connections to both the coast and the Tuscan mountains. The property is listed at €90,000 and offers around 100 meters squared of living space, making it a spacious and well-located home in one of the most practical towns in the region. Situated just minutes from Aulla's town center, the house benefits from immediate access to all essential services, including shops, supermarkets, restaurants, a train station, and motorway links, while still maintaining a peaceful village-like atmosphere. This combination of convenience and Tuscan character makes it an attractive base for year-round living or holiday use. Inside, the home is arranged over multiple levels and offers a generous and functional layout. The main living area features a comfortable lounge space that serves as the heart of the home, ideal for family gatherings or relaxing evenings. The kitchen is separate and well-proportioned, designed for everyday cooking and dining in a practical and traditional style. The sleeping area includes two spacious bedrooms, both filled with natural light and offering enough room for family living or visiting guests. A bathroom completes the main accommodation, designed for comfort and day-to-day practicality. Additional rooms within the property provide useful flexibility for storage, utility use, or future reconfiguration depending on personal needs. The home's solid structure and straightforward layout make it suitable for immediate occupation or gradual modernization. With its combination of size, location, and strong local infrastructure, this property represents a versatile opportunity, ideal as a permanent residence, a holiday home, or a long-term investment in one of northern Italy's most accessible towns. Next, we arrive in Comano, where this traditional village house is set within a peaceful hillside borgo surrounded by forest, rolling mountains, and wide Apennine views. The property is listed at €90,000 and offers around 95 meters squared of living space, making it a spacious and character-filled home in an authentic Tuscan mountain village. Nestled within a historic stone settlement, the house reflects the timeless architecture typical of Comano, where homes are built from local stone and shaped by the natural contours of the landscape. The setting is quiet and elevated, offering privacy, fresh mountain air, and beautiful views of the surrounding countryside, while still being part of a traditional community. The main living area serves as the heart of the home, with a cozy lounge space featuring traditional details that create a welcoming and comfortable atmosphere. The kitchen is separate and functional, designed for everyday cooking and village-style living. The sleeping area includes generously sized bedrooms, well suited for family use or guests, with natural light and pleasant views over the village and hills. A bathroom completes the main accommodation, laid out in a simple and practical style consistent with traditional Tuscan homes. Finally, we arrive in San Romano in Garfagnana, where this spacious traditional stone house is set within a peaceful village environment in the heart of the Garfagnana Valley, surrounded by mountains, forests, and amazing views of the Apennines and Apuan Alps. The property is listed at €99,000 and offers around 150 meters squared of living space, making it generously sized in one of northern Tuscany's most scenic and authentic regions. Located in a quiet hamlet close to the main village, the house enjoys a calm and elevated position while still being within easy reach of San Romano's shops, cafes, and essential services. The surrounding area is rich in natural beauty, with hiking trails, medieval villages, and dramatic mountain landscapes just moments away. Inside, the property is arranged over multiple levels and reflects the solid stone architecture typical of Garfagnana homes. The main living area is spacious and welcoming, featuring a large lounge space that serves as the heart of the home, often enhanced by a fireplace that adds warmth and character throughout the seasons. The kitchen is separate and well proportioned, offering a practical layout suitable for everyday living. Thick stone walls and traditional construction give the interiors a strong sense of authenticity. The sleeping area includes multiple bedrooms, all generously sized and filled with natural light, making the home suitable for larger families or guests. Bathrooms are well distributed across the layout, designed for practicality and ease of use.